Hi guys, I want you guys to join me guys as I'll be unboxing this brand new Infinix Smart 10 that I just bought. You can see it, right? So join me guys while I do the unboxing of this Smart 10 Infinix Android phone. So guys, I bought this phone brand new. You can see this Smart 10 Infinix phone, and I bought this phone for 120,000 naira. So let's unbox and open it so that I will see what's inside the phone. Now from the phone carton, you can see this phone is actually, you can see 6 gig RAM, you can see 3 plus 3 gig RAM, and also 64 gig room external memory. You can see it's kind of a small gig room. So this is how the phone is from here. Yeah, I think okay. You can see yes, Smart 10 Infinix 120 HD smooth display. You can take time to go all through this so that you can see the spec and everything about this phone. You can see. So to start to unbox the phone, okay, I'll just go from here this way. You can see, open from here. You can see, yeah. So there's a phone. Smart 10 Infinix. You can see, right? Dual speakers with 300% ultra volume and durable IP64 dust and water. You can see this phone is actually water resistant and 48 months TUV fluency with T7250. I don't know this anyways. You can see. Here's the phone. It looks very clean, sleek, sharp, neat. Here's power button, volume button, volume down, volume up. Okay, it uses a Type-C charging port. And here's the earpiece or earphone port. Let's see what's inside the carton further. Okay. Okay, inside the carton, it comes with a Type-C charger. Here is it. You can see Type-C charger. Here's the charger head. You can see, right? Charger head. It contains 10.0 watts. So also comes with a pouch. So if you buy it, you get this pouch, this default pouch. You can see here's the phone. The back of the phone is designed like iPhone 16. You can see, you can actually put the pouch right here. You can see well lap. The phone looks beautiful. It's well designed body. Okay, let me open the pouch and on or power the phone on. So to on the phone, yes, power button, just press it and hold it. It's coming on. You can see Android Go edition. It's on. So here's the phone, how it looks inside. So actually the phone, I have done the setting when I bought it. That's why it came right here. You know, if you buy it newly, you will have to configure it. But I've configured the phone already before doing this unboxing video. You can see, right? but this is how it looks. I don't know, it took so much time to boot this time, but the first time that I on the phone, it didn't take this much time to boot or to start. You can see. So you can operate it. Let's see the camera. Here's the camera of the phone. One good thing, the phone is having a kind of a good camera. The camera is not as bad. This is the back camera. You can see here my hands, my fingers. Let me see the front view camera. Here's my face making the video. So the phone has a good camera. I love it. It's not bad, at least you can see, right? So guys, that's the phone, Infinix Smart 10. So thanks for staying in this video, for watching. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.